Welcome to KGRIMS, all-in-one educational institution management software.
In this video, we will learn how to issue a transfer certificate to a student.
Go to kgrims.com and navigate to the Login button. Log in with your credentials.
From the left sidebar menu, click on Student Dashboard. Select on Admission List. Select the academic year for which the student's TC is to be issued. Set Active Status to Yes. Select Institution-Wise option. Choose the institution in which student TC want to issue. On the right side, click the Issue TC button. Select the student from the list. Fill in the TC issued date. Other required TC options. Click on Generate TC. A pop-up message will appear. Are you sure you want to generate the transfer certificate? Click Yes, Generate TC. The transfer certificate is now generated. You can print the TC directly. Get signatures from class teacher and principal. Add the institution stamp. Distribute the TC to the student.
Created.